Want to know how to complete event challenges for maximum rewards? So there are various events and the missions that you have to complete for rewards. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can complete them for maximum rewards. So event challenges in KingsRoad mobile are some of the best ways to earn rewards. So before starting, make sure you check all challenge objectives so you can focus on high value tasks first. So make sure the low priority ones are left down and the high priority ones are the one on your focus. So use your strongest heroes and the right items to clear stages efficiently. Combine event challenges with daily missions when possible to get double rewards. Prioritizing high reward stages and completing challenges efficiently will maximize your gains and speed up progressions in the game. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.